people, this one and so this one hot. This one hot. He hot. I just see the thing hot. You know one thing, hey God. Like this now, so you know, say we feel say Buhari don't die. You understand? But as if say he come like say the caban, the group of people, all these atrocity as in all these how do they call it? The group of cabals, when it be say those group of atrocities leaders, the group of crime leaders, let me say they rule Nigeria. The blessed they gather their safe. They can't reinforce their safe. They come out in another way. We say, is in the war we be say Nigeria governors, as in the war we say Nigeria federal government of Nigeria. The war we say they trigger. When they trigger, I swear they go do and say the thing go come touch the mind of even the common, as in the commonest man for this country. The thing go touch the mind of the commonest man. When the thing go burst out, then federal government go no say yes, because hey Jesus, the thing when Buhari and see so, I just pray keep saying a lie. I pray keep saying a lie. And they say banking sectors. You see Nigeria banking sectors. If let's say on just Nigeria banking sectors, if let's say I don't tire to do banking for Nigeria. I don't tire to do banking for Nigeria because, for example, I believe say your customers should be your priorities. You should put your customers first. If bankers see, make I just talk something. If see, you know one thing, you know one thing. Nigeria banking sectors, if una no say una wan use the sweat of the common man, if una wan use the sweat of the common man in the streets to do business, una take they get more profits, una go tell us. As I dey somebody they shake me, una go tell us. You know, I go just date, as in this is a one happen so, if it happen, Nigeria banking sectors not be threats. Me, I don't talk before say this 2021, because I dey plan to settle down. And the reason why I dey want like I dey limit my words, and because of my future husband and my future children. That's why they want limit my words. Make I even stay balance on Nigeria. Because me as I dey, but it like say the spirit dey in me. He hate oppress. That is one thing about me. I am allergic to oppress. I'm allergic to duress. I'm allergic to totally allergic to it. This thing when I see, now I come like say as Buhari don't get up from his dead life. As Buhari don't get up as Jubri don't get up enter Buhari again. He come like say like this now. So you know see me I talk and say Buhari don't die before. But he come like say Buhari, you know say we believe say Buhari don't die. But if like say Buhari they sick things, so that he brain maybe say the brain shake. If like say the brain don't reset and finish for him. Then make him go. He go desert things. He go silent since we go treat the brain. So if let's say this many Buhari 3 years, let's say Buhari won't take come back. So if let's say the war go to happen for Nigeria very well. This won't be NSAS again. This won't be only youth again. This one, the war only go boss at the come even cripple for grant, cripple go react. Because you know why? How you say banking sectors, then what they call themselves? They say lawmakers. You should make you say this news that lie because that's una don't dey craze. Una madness don't they enter on a breed, they enter on a hide from an eye, they enter on a anus. If that's on a sings, this on a anus. Una go just they go just carry law come out. They say lawmakers put her into law. They don't that strike una. May God punish you now. The lawmakers say for them we say una call themselves lawmakers. May God punish you now for this thing. May turn that strike una for now to make law for common man sweat. Una they craze. Una they make the law without informing people. Say it's put into law. Make God of lawmaker, make God of lawmaker destroy una in a minute. Una put into law. Say person say your account don dey dormant. Una go take the money. Take government go borrow the money. Federal, then they go say Buhari, na talk am. Buhari. If you don't take time, the short you go deaf. Your 2 years go deaf this time around. Even your left ear, then you need a year work before for one of your ear. Your 3 years, God will slap you overnight. You will go deaf. Are you mad, Mr. President? Are you mad? It's a question. If you see this video, answer me. Are you mad? Say you go just there, you go say you won't take money. People say, but the money they say I can't. They don't date dormant for 6 years. You won't take the money, say you won't borrow and borrow take to it, you dey crazy. Banking set us down, una dey mad. Una dey crazy. Una make the one you go up, make they burn una banks down. Una dey use that, una dey use the head safe. Lawmakers, make the law, make that law destroy una full generation. Those lawmakers, you dey make law, you put into law without the consent of who? Without the consent of the person getting money. You know, una dey mad. Una know say some people they sell garri inside market. Then they keep the money for accounts. May they use that to send their first pikin to abroad. May they use that to send even young girls, even you will be young girls. As I even they make hair, so they even they keep money for account. When it be I don't want touch. So that when I get my first pikin, that money go, I go use that to assist my first pikin. Una dey mad, una don craze. Una brain don't tear, una don mad. Federal government, Buhari, banking sectors, lawmakers. E be like say thunder won't strike una now. Una don dey chew, una don dey swallow more than what people can chew. Una don dey bite more than what you can chew. E be like say una jaw won't tear now. E be like say una okpolo eye, you won't burst now. Una don dey touch the lion tails. Buhari, you don't craze. Buhari, your madness don't they increase. You need shame. Lawmakers, you need shame. Wait so people sweat. We buy road person get account for bank. Truck pusher get account for bank. Man no even mention thief. Man no even mention you see you be fool. See the new pattern say all these useless leaders when they don't get our money finished and they use that for celebrities. When one celebrity will come outside, we don't go on place, go stay for 3 months, come outside. When I go buy Range Rover, give them. They'll go they talk that they are fans. Now I buy them. They'll go use their name to build a house. Then in future they go drop and give the leaders. Now they use true celebrities now till they use our money because they don't say if I use our direct they go cash on. One celebrity say no get 1 naira for enter one place, go come outside go say they use Range Rover. He build a house of billions. See, bad leaders we know till they happen. Very soon, me when I come here the next time I go open names. All these celebrities say they say all these our politicians they use their name till they buy cars, till they build house. When I come here, I go open names. When I come here, give a deal on this topic, I go open names. Me I dey wait. I talk at the first because maybe I dey think of settling down, I dey think of getting married. That make me say make I even cool down. But be like say federal government, when I go even not even make me, not even make me keep marriage for corner. Because somebody tell me say, man, go marry. They don't even know it in my mind. When I not even make me keep marriage for corner. Buhari, you don't craze. Lawmakers now don't make God of thunder, Make God of thunder destroy for that place. Because no say because they call on a name as they disgrace for our money when they eat. That's not one point involve the common man when they mad. You know say all mad. You know so we get people say they roast fish they sell. When they roast fish, they say they just keep their money for bank. When they say they don't keep money, they say so kind money enter their hand, they just keep the money. But they use that for fish or for something. You don't know somebody for contribution. You say when they do contribution, they carry their money like this, like 1 million for the contribution. They put her for bank. Banking sector make God damage your life for this agreement. So I agreed without the consent of we the person get the money. Now I get the money. You now still work the money. Una dey mad. Federal government, you don't fail your Buhari, you don't fail yourself. Fail yourself. Say now the money for accounts. Now you keep the money. Now you work on. Why you not go meet the our bad leaders? All those politicians say they eat our money, make collect their money to do your to borrow. Who you they borrow money for? Who you want use the money for? You want borrow my own money? Cause they use for me. Buhari make God punish you. Buhari, you go die useless deaths. If you try this thing, you go die miserable deaths. Because women go put yash for you. The whole Nigeria go naked swear for you. Buhari, come out for us. 2023, I beg, 2023, please automatically come. So this man will go. This man is a failure. Buhari, you are a failure. You are a failure. If you dare this, you will die overnight. You will go blind. You will go deaf and dumb. Are you okay? Federal government, are you okay? Lawmakers, who is this useless lawmaker that doesn't know the, so you put it into law? Now that English that even scatter my brain. They have put it into law. Make God of thunder put all of them into death law. Make God of thunder put all of them into death law. If not put this into law, we they manage to gather money. If somebody get like 200,000, you go keep for account. Let's go they call hospital again in case of their future children. I swear, Buhari, you won't die now. Now your death go finally rain. You go die finally. Now you will sleep. You will not wake up. You try this. Lawmakers, banking sectors. If people dare it, if you not try say you not use the poor man money. When you be say gather go susu for a whole 1 year, maybe manage gather 300,000. You go put that for bank. I wait for the first child. They say gets. When they say case if he pick enter school or if he want travel, to use the money for her. Federal going to call now. Sisters that talk they will borrow the money without our consent, without the agreement. All these lawmakers, if now they make this law, you say go favor now. This law now go kill you now because this kind of things we say they grant. So lawmakers need to wake up. People say human rights. Please, people should wake up. Something is about to happen in Nigeria that even the woman that is suffering in the market, the woman will start to cry. How government what country borrow our money? Borrow money how? Which money you want borrow? Money be say maybe the person won't use money this year, we won't use it next year. When federal government borrow and when federal government want to pay, what is the agreement between you and the Nigerian masses? What kind of government is this? Which kind of government? Which kind of APC be this? God? Which kind of APC be this? Where this APC party come from? Which kind of APC party be this for crying out loud? You won't take people money from their accounts. You not seek the concept of the masses. You they put that into law. So you they force them to go withdraw money. Bankers, see, banking sector say, the MD of CBN. I think it's like, who is the present CBN managing director? Oga, if I say you don't demand. If let's say you don't demand, though, if let's say you don't demand for you to even sit with federal government with you are toiling with the as in you are toiling with the right of your customers. So we dey for streets, they stand, they sound, they walk, they keep money for bank. Then when they enter meeting, useless meeting, how you go to use your customers' money for bank? They automatically you display them. Say BVN holders, whatever you call yourself. Oga for managing director for CBN. You do okay. I don't want to talk something here, but one by one. If they tell on now, the more they do the thing, the more they tell on federal government. Keep on bringing law. And so you keep on having problems. People keep on generating problems. When they wake the sleeping lions. You people are waking the sleeping lions. Lions. When they wake them up. You go carry person money. We keep for accounts. Say because you don't do for CC, don't do dormant. Federal government want to use it without the consent of the people. Without proper agreement. Bank just go meeting. Enter useless annual meeting. You can't accept them. Say they put them into law. Make that book of law, make it for press all lawmakers and say make that law. Make that book of law, make that law frustrate to their life overnight. See, you don't say this thing. Make una wake up, oh Nigerians. Please, let's wake up. Let's wake up. This present APC, this present leaders, this APC leaders, this present one, Buhari is back again. Blessed, but there is God of mercy, God. Then talk somebody talk this thing, say the remaining 2021, 22, 23, say Buhari regime might be worse than the remaining 6 years, and I think it's about to. And that's Buhari a plan and so. Nigerians, I think Buhari needs a big problem. This Buhari is looking for a big problem. He don't they do and say they won't come reach. Now I won't really tell us say he's ready to finish Nigeria. Lawmakers, God, lawmakers. Not gonna they hold us so. Not gonna they hold us. Not be threats. But I mean not gonna they hold us. If una woman and it's like una really want war. APC, una really want war. And una go get them. Una they beat the band of war. Serious one. Imagine. Una they beat the band of war. The band una they beat so. This band that you people are beating. This is you people are calling for a very serious war. Because what you are about to do will affect policemen. Army. Jesus. It's as in Jesus. When I want to toy with the future of our unborn children. You want to toy with the future of our unborn children. Because as I did so, even me as I did so, I get account for bank. Maybe say that account I never really touch them. I never born the beginning, but I live up for the shite. But I know what I went through. I know some when I enter. If I keep that money there. Even though that 10,000, even though that 15,000, federal government, you don't have rights to come and borrow my money without my consent. Without my consent, you not get right. Come put that into law. Now they mad. Who be lawmaker? May thunder strike these lawmakers. Now they mad. Oh, now they mad. Buhari, you don't mad. The director of CBN here, your craze done. Your craze. Now shame you did. They go shame you. They go shame you. Oga. They go shame you. You need shame. And you go collect shame. Buhari, you better say you don't need shame. You go collect shame. Now don't mad. Lawmakers. Bless you now, Lord, don't tire now. When I go collect shame. When I craze, don't they hide. They go shame on a leg. They go shame on a neck. They go give on a shame for neck and leg. When I go collect them. When I don't they do and reach the masses, even the common man, money mad. If I touch my 10,000. If I touch my 10,000, may God punish you now. You see this law? May God punish you now. May God punish you now. Who this thing not gonna affect? Make you not share this video. Make you not share it. And if they beg for share for this one. Who this thing not gonna affect? Make you not share it. Federal government won't collect our money for bank without they not voted or say they won't borrow our money. They won't use that. When they craze. Federal government now they mad. I'm not talking again. Now they mad.